This is Apple's new iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe, and it's kind of a mess. Let me explain. This $59 wallet is made up of nice European leather with an Apple logo plastered right on the front. It's very minimal, clean, and extremely lightweight. On the back of the wallet, you'll notice a little cutout for your thumb to quote-unquote easily slide a card up in order to take it out. However, this process is not that easy, at least not right away. I'd imagine it will take some time for you to get used to this concept, and maybe for the leather to stretch out a little bit. Pro tip, if you place a card backwards with the numbers facing the cutout, it does make it a little bit easier for your thumb to grip onto a card and push it up, but out of the box, it's not as easy as one might think. So, you might be thinking, exactly how many cards can you fit inside of this wallet? Well, it can fit about 3 normal cards, and I say normal cards because I haven't tried an Apple Card yet or any other thicker credit card, but I think you're going to be looking at around 2 to 3 cards comfortably. I could probably fit a 4th, but I don't want to risk stretching the leather out, so much so that it becomes too loose and cards start to randomly fall out. Now, for people who live in a city where Apple Pay is widely supported, you might not need to carry that many credit cards, and so an additional 3 is probably more than enough. While Apple Pay is much more readily available where I live than it's ever been before, it's still not something that I can rely on for a majority of transactions. Now, I have about 1 credit card and 2 debit cards that I use on a near daily basis. That leaves me trying to squeeze in my license as a 4th or leaving a card behind. It's not ideal for me personally. The MagSafe portion of this case is really where the majority of the mess lies. The wallet does in fact stick onto the phone directly and provides a cool animation that lets you know you've attached an accessory via MagSafe. You can also stick the wallet to a MagSafe case and then put the case on the iPhone and everything works perfectly fine. Now, for obvious reasons, charging with a MagSafe charger with the wallet attached is not possible. I do want to point out that with the wallet attached, the iPhone does become a bit more comfortable and grippy to hold in the hand. There is some added bulk, but I didn't really mind the wallet on the back of the phone. I actually thought it was kind of nice. The magnet strength for the wallet is perfectly fine when it comes to maybe shaking your phone as hard as you can. The wallet didn't budge for me one time. Tapping it with my hand a few times, well, that caused it to easily fall off, but perhaps the biggest bummer is sticking it inside of your pocket. It'll require you to actively think about how you're placing your phone inside of your pocket. If you just slide it inside your pocket quickly without thinking like you would normally do, it's very possible that the wallet will just slide right off the phone or case and fall to the floor. There have also been a few times in which I would pull my phone out of my pocket and have no wallet attached. Thankfully, the wallet was more often than not still inside of my pocket, but regardless, this is going to be a real problem for people who place their phones inside of their pants pocket. Honestly, if you're going to use this wallet on a daily basis and you keep taking your phone in and out of your pockets all day, you will need to remember to grip the wallet and your phone tightly in order to ensure it's actually going in your pocket. Otherwise, it could spill out onto the floor and you'll lose it. Hopefully, AirTags come sooner than later so I can track my wallet, because I feel like this won't be the only time my wallet detaches from my iPhone unexpectedly. Of course, I'd love to know your thoughts on this wallet in the comments down below. Is this something that maybe you were looking forward to, but now you're kind of having different thoughts about it? Or are you still going to buy one anyways? Just let me know down in those comments. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.